Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 288 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The relations between our two countries are not merely based on a treaty or on certain agreements, but we have subscribed to certain principles, and I am quite sure that a large country like the Soviet Union just cannot go to pieces and just disappear. It is not possible. They will certainly find a way of again consolidating the country, maybe on different lines, maybe in a different context. But I do not see anything beyond that happening, which would completely disrupt our relations, either in the economic field or in the political field. I do not expect that. I cannot spell out anything more, nor can any members spell out anything more than this at the moment, not even the friends abroad with whom I have had occasion to speak. Everyone seems to be equally uncertain. Everyone seems to be hopeful this minute, not so hopeful the next minute. But we would say, as friends of the Soviet Union, that the relations between the two countries are not going to be disrupted. We will certainly continue the relationship. There may be certain lacunae, for instance, in the supplies, in exports, and in the nitty gritty of our relations. These are important. We cannot minimize the importance of these things. But I understand that whenever we have taken up any of these matters with the Soviet authorities, they have responded with whatever expedition that they could manage at the moment. Maybe after 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, they would respond more expeditiously. There had never been a cold shouldering on whatever we have taken to them. There had never been a negative response from them, and therefore we have nothing to worry about it except that we will have to wait for the time when, on the other side, our friends are able to respond properly. That is all that I have to say about Indo-Soviet relationship. Sir, the UN role also has come up for some comments in the debate. I am sure that the UN has come into its own after all these changes. We have had a much more important role assigned to UN in the last 2 or 3 years, and in this role, in the assigning of this role, in the expansion of the UN role, we also have contributed our bit. There is hardly any speech of the External Affairs Minister of India or the Prime Minister of India which did not emphasize a much more decisive and important role for the UN.